Hello and welcome to your Smart Manufacturing Digital Experience walkthrough. This video will help you navigate through key features, make connections, and help make the most of your digital experience. Your journey begins with the SME Events Live app. Many of our events are listed here where you will be able to view current and upcoming events that you can register for. If you are registered for more than one event, you will be able to view each one within this mobile app. Click on the event you are registered for to gain access. When you enter the Smart Manufacturing Digital Experience, you will see 5 main areas at the bottom of the screen: Home, Connections, Shake, Messages, and Me. These areas will help you navigate through the mobile app. Home allows you to view all the features you can access throughout the event. Connections allows you to view all the connections you have made digitally. Shake allows for contactless digital exchange. Messages shows the digital conversations you have had with others during the event. Me is your digital profile you can exchange with other attendees. To view the different content that will be held throughout the Smart Manufacturing Digital Experience, visit the event schedule. Here, you will be able to view a full schedule of the event, filter specific presentations by categories, as well as gain access to speaker and presentation material. If you are interested in attending a specific presentation, click on the plus sign to add it to your personal agenda. The Smart Manufacturing Digital Experience will be live streaming key presentations and uploading on-demand content for you to view. To gain access to these presentations, go to the event schedule and simply click Live Video or View Recording. This is a great feature to use if you would like to view a presentation you may have missed throughout the event. Take notes during the presentation by clicking on the Notes icon in the upper right-hand corner. While in the presentation, you can view your notes at any time during or after the event. Virtual exhibits are completely interactive, allowing you to view booth content and interact with booth representatives through chat or email. If you do not have time to visit an exhibitor in person, visit them on the mobile app in the Exhibitors feature to view a brief company overview, links to websites, as well as contact information. Visiting a virtual booth will also allow you to see where an exhibitor is on the show floor. You have the option to view a booth's location through the Exhibitors feature or by clicking on the Floor Plan feature. The floor plan will give you access to every exhibitor as well as their location at the in-person event. Connect with like-minded attendees and reach out to manufacturing professionals looking for the solutions to the same challenges as you. The Attendee Connect feature allows you to add attendees to your personal connections by clicking on the plus sign. Once you have added an attendee, you may send private messages which can be seen in the Messages tab. Shake to Connect allows attendees to contactlessly swap information. Click on the Shake icon at the bottom of the screen and shake your phone near another attendee's phone to digitally swap information and connect with another attendee. Engage with other attendees through the activity feed by posting, commenting, or liking a status. You will also have the option to view the event social media links and follow us. Learn how SME can help grow your business and advance your career by entering the SME Zone. Click on the different SME exhibitor booths to learn how SME can help you keep up with advancing technology, develop your workforce, and connect you with the manufacturing industry. Compete with other attendees by unlocking codes to challenges, entering the codes to earn points, and climb to the top of the leaderboard. The more you explore the event, the more codes you can collect to earn points. Visit our sponsors, media sponsors, and industry partners page to view a list of companies that have helped make this event a reality. Learn more about each company, their overview, and find industry resources including magazine subscriptions and white papers. If you need assistance during the event, visit the App Guide feature. Here, you will be able to view any frequently asked questions, as well as walkthrough guides and event information. If you still can't find what you're looking for, reach out to our digital support team at smartsupport@sme-help.freshdesk.com, and a representative will be happy to follow up with you. On behalf of the SME team, we thank you for participating in the Smart Manufacturing Digital Experience and hope you enjoy the event.